What is machine learning? What is a machine learning? A machine learning is the process of teaching a computer system on how to make accurate predictions when fed data. In machine learning projects, we need a training data set. What is data set? A data set is a collection of data. In other words, data set corresponds to the contents of a single database table. Always remember that machine learning depends on data. Without data, it is impossible for an artificial intelligence or AI to learn. And now, let's prepare and download the dataset. First, I'm gonna search the dataset online. I'm gonna click this one. So I'm using this red wine quality dataset. So as you can see, it has attribute information and it consists of 12 attributes. Okay, so now let's click this data folder and choose the second one, which is wine quality red CSV, and open the file after we downloaded it, and this is our dataset. Now, let's start the implementation of machine learning with the use of Python and red wine quality dataset. So first thing I need to do is to rename the Python file as machine learning red wine quality dataset. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to import our dataset and I'm going to use the pandas library. So I'm going to run it and add a new cell, and dframe is equivalent to pd, and I'm going to give the CSV file, namely wine quality dash red.csv. So I'm gonna run it and add a new cell, and let's check the output by typing df. Okay, so we're gonna run this. Okay, and now we can see here the output. So after that, we're going to add the index column and the column names. So as I have said earlier that our dataset has a 12 attributes, and we will going to put it in here. So the first one is fixed acidity. The second one is volatile acidity. The third one is citric acid. Okay, so the fourth one is residual. Oh, sorry. Residual sugar. So next we have chloride. Next we have free sulfur dioxide. Next, total sulfur dioxide. The next is density. Next one is pH. Next, we have sulfates. Next, we have here the alcohol. And lastly, we have oh, the quality. So I'm going to run it and let's check the result by running the DF. So as you can see, there are already the data variable now. So next we need to do is to insert another cell and check how many unique values our quality have. So let's run this. And now we can see the unique values, which are the 5, 6, 7, 4, 8, and 3. Now we will going to add another cell. Next, we will going to create equality IDs. We will going to place the first number 5 to index 0. Next will be the number 6 to index 1 and 7 to index 2, 4 to index 3, 8 to index 4, and lastly, we have 3 to index 5. And we will going to run it. And add a new cell and input DF together with the quality ID. And then we will going to map the dictionary and we will going to run this one. And now let's check our dataset. So as you can see, the quality IDs is here. So we will going to add another cell. So we will going to proceed to sklearn model selection. And import the train test split. And after that, we will going to run it and proceed to another cell. So always remember that in machine learning, we always have X and Y. So now we will going to split the data into train and
test data. So our X here is the first 11 attributes, from fixed acidity to alcohol. So we will going to copy the attributes and we will place it inside the bracket. So we will not include the quality because our Y is the quality, and we will going to erase this one here in the bracket. After that, let's place a value to our Y, which is the quality. So now let's put also a test size, and then random state, and lastly, the shuffle. After that, we're going to check our X train. We're going to run this, and this is now the result. Let's add a new cell and let's check the result of our X test. So this is now the result, and so on and so forth for our Y train and Y test. So for this data set, we're going to use decision tree algorithm. And now let's run it and add a new cell. And now let's build our model. So CLF dot fit and X train and Y train. So once we fitted our algorithm, after that, we can now predict. And lastly, we will add our last cell. After we run it, this is now the outcome. So this is all. Thank you and bye!